Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June the 23rd, 2022. We're going to talk about Block today, and is it possible, right? Let's keep it real. Is it possible that we can see the price in Block go to $40? Here it is. The last trade was around $60.65 yesterday. What do you think? Could we see Block hit $40 as we trade throughout 2022? Just a question I want to pose to you all today because I want to talk about it. We're going to look at the price chart to see what are the chances of us actually seeing the market in Block go down to $40. Because I know a lot of people was hyping up this particular fintech company, saying that it's going to be formidable in the next 5 years. Okay, cool. But what about now, 2022? Could we still see the price in Block go down to $40? Let's talk about it. So welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. You guys can see it in front of you right now. This is what I'm all about. I just come through and do price predictions. I don't try to come in and hype each and every one of you all up to tell you all that these stocks are going to be great buys in the long term. Because a lot of those YouTubers that have been pumping these stocks quit doing these videos all of a sudden. Now they don't do these videos of, the best stocks to buy now, the top 3 stocks to buy now, the stocks that I'm buying now. They quit talking about the buying of these stocks. I wonder why. Because when you come into these markets, you want to see both sides. You want to be a buyer and a seller. There's nothing wrong with being a seller. I mean, when you think about it, when you buy a stock, you still got to sell it. So you are going to play both sides eventually in these stocks. One day you'll be a buyer. Then the next day, when you want to take your profits, you got to be a seller. So why do people hate selling? It doesn't make any sense. I did a video in Block. It was on May the 21st, 2022. You guys could go back and listen to it. It's still there. And you guys can see at that particular moment, with the information that we had then, I was looking for Block to continue to move higher in price. Now, we could give the market credit. The market did go up, but it didn't hit our ultimate TP price. Did it? No, it didn't. And it goes that way. That's why I come through and give you price targets in the midst of my ultimate price target objective. Because I want you all to eat. I want us all to snack as the buyers continue to move in the direction that we want it to go. So if you guys like my videos, I want you all to join the rest of the community. Hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe, tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss out on my videos. I want you all to be one of the first ones to see where price is anticipated to go. Okay, so real quick, let's talk about this. The market in Block hit a high on May 27th, 2022. Okay, 6 days after I did the video, it hit a high of $90.99. Okay, right there around 91. Not bad. Okay, my ultimate TP price was around 97 and it didn't reach that high. It only came to 91. That is why I come through and do price targets. Were you able to grab some profitability out the market in Block there, which is around 9.25%? Were you able to do that? Because if so, at least you grabbed some profitability out the move before price in Block went down. Because if you didn't grab any of that profitability out, you would be down 26, almost 27% right now. Okay. So now let me go ahead and get rid of that because we need to speak on Block hitting $40. Now I'm gonna tell you this. Everything's going to be contingent on if the buyers want to hold price here. Okay. So let me get this out the way. The buyers needs to hold Block there. Period. Okay. If we see the market price break $60 to the downside, it is increasingly likely that Block will hit 40. For real. Maybe 45. So now's the time to be prepared, right? Now is the time for us to look forward to that happening. We don't want to be caught left holding the bag, because you're going to start seeing CNBC, other finance institution analysts who cover this stock and say, now's the time to come in and buy the stock. But we already know, right? If you've been watching my videos, we already know that we don't believe what people say. We watch what they do, and it's on the chart. So currently we are on surveil mode. We're looking to see whether or not if they're putting their money where their mouth is. If they're telling us that Block is a buy at 60, we should be seeing it on the chart. we should be seeing them buying the stock right now, just like they did here, right? Just like they did here in 2019, right? 2019. We should be seeing the buyers buy block right now. So let me show you all the 3 months chart. Okay, because we have what? 7 days and 9 hours left on this current 3 monthly price chart. Now, look at this. This is the current 3 months right there. Okay, look at it. That's not strong. That's not strength coming into the market. That's not reflecting buyers showing up yet. It kind of looks like this 3 months price bar, does it not? And then look what happened since then. We're still seeing the weakness into the market here in block. Now, let me show you all this. Let me show you all the 6 months. Okay. This is block on the 6 months chart. Again, 7 days, 9 hours. So again, it's not going to look exactly what it looks right now. But if this is an indication as to what's to come, yeah, it doesn't look like the market's going to hold $60. It doesn't look like the buyers are coming into the market in block at 60 yet. So if we're not looking at the market in block hold 60, the next area would be 40 or around that area. Okay, so look at this. This is where I'm eyeing the market in block coming towards. Okay, right around here. Okay, so when you see this on the 3 months, switch this back over to the 3 months, you guys can see the trend. Okay, the market in block has confirmed, because when it first started trading back in 2016, the market held this ascending line, right? And then here during the 3 month price bar of January 2nd, 2020, we came and confirmed the trend again. So that would bring the market price in block, as we continue to see the downturn, coming around $45, 40, around that particular price level. So I don't think we're done yet. We might even go further to the downside if we end the way that we look right now on the monthly price bar. I'm just trying to get everyone in my community, all of my subscribers, to get prepared for this, because you will be swayed and try to be persuaded that now's the time to come in and purchase this stock. So what do you all think? Are we about to go up into the market in block? Are the buyers coming into this particular stock right now? What do you think? Because the chart is not reflecting the buyers coming in. Because if we wanted to see buyers, the opportunity for them to show themselves was right here. They should have shown up right here. But instead, the market fell again. Okay. The buyers should have shown up on these price bars that I've circled. They didn't show up. So that tells us that the confirmation of this downturn is still here in block. All right. So as of right now, am I looking for this stock to go up? No, I'm not. Do I understand that the buyers could still come in and support price at 60? Yes, I do. But I think we got a little bit lower to go. Okay, just a little bit lower to go. And it looked like it's around like 52, 53. That's going to be my first price target. So let me go ahead and drop this on the chart, and I'll let you all go. And then I give you all the ability to tell me where do you think block is headed. Okay. So I think the market is, especially in the long term, I'm still going to play some weakness to the downside in block. My first price target now is going to be here around 52, 50, 53. Okay. It's going to be my first price target. And my second one is going to be on that ascending line, either $45, $40. Okay. Somewhere around there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to bring it to that ascending line. Okay. And that's it. We're going to continue to move the way the market is moving. Okay. So now it's your turn. Go ahead and give me your thoughts, your perceptions as to what you think the market in block is about to do. And let me know if you all think that tonight is, if block is a buy now or is it not? Because if it is, then yeah, we should come through and look at the market and block going up from here, right? Now, let's go ahead and talk. That's it. I'm done. Leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know what do you all suspect the market and block going over the next couple of months. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.